Why video matters? In this new normal, video is a must-have component of any social media and marketing strategy. Video combined with social media is a powerful lead generation tool, but to work, it has to be done strategically. There are two types of videos that people most consume on social media. Is it either educational or entertaining? That means, is it going to be valuable or entertain them? Do you want to know the secret of making a professional video to sell your business better? Go Digital Club brings you Let's Make Video and Sell More 2 days masterclass. You will learn video shooting techniques using mobile, professional video editing skill, and YouTube monetization. This exclusive workshop has limited seat and designed for anyone eager to start YouTube channel, business owners, and professionals. Click on the link below for the details of the content and book your spot today. See you there.